Hey everybody, Dr. Erickson here with Essential Motion Spine and Sport. Question came up about what to do post-surgery for a labral tear in the hip. So inside your hip, there's a ball and a socket, and inside that socket is a piece of tissue called the labrum. And it has come into some more popularity recently to repair some of these labral tears. It most often happen in the anterior front or anterior superior, so in the front or upper part. So if you were to have this surgery, here are some very basic first, like when you just get this done, some very basic exercises to start with. We can start in sitting. We can work on, if it's my right hip that I just had surgery on, slight flexion here at 90 degrees. We can work on a little bit of internal and external rotation, just really lightly back and forth, based on pain levels, Also, based on protocol, this may, as long as it's something that we're not stressing that labrum too much, we're not loading it, you should be okay. Then we can come down and we can work on in line, supine this way, face up. You can just work on squeezing the glute muscles and making those muscles work. Fire them off and hold, okay? Glute squeezes. You can also do a hip, just a sliding abduction onto the side, back and forth. Using muscle on the outside, this should be fairly low level. You could take a strap of some kind. This is a really thick band. And then passively with your arms, work on flexing that hip a little bit. Now, at the end, that's going to be too much. You just got to go just little bits in here. Because you don't want to load that thing too much when it's healing. So a little bit of flexion. And then we can do a little bit of letting this knee just fall to the side, do a little bit of rotation and abduction. That way. And the last one might be to just kind of bring up here into this range of external rotation and just a little bit of a stretch that way. So there's about 5 or 6 things that someone could do if they just had a labral repair or even a debridement to clean that labrum out on one of their hips. Any other questions? Let us know. Thank you.